Hi, it's Paul. This morning, it is May 1st, 2019. Boy, May is here already. My lord. Alright, well, let's see what's going on in the market today. Go back a couple of days because I haven't been on here for a couple of days. Yesterday was a very busy Tuesday. Let's see what we've got here. So the lowest priced one today is a two-story condo, a little over 1,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in '95 over on Buffalo. Oh, pretty nice little complex here. Pool, spa, upstairs unit. Looks clean. Staged fairly well. That's nice, Mar-a-Lago. Alright. And so this one is over on Cheyenne and Buffalo. Don't need that on there. Person found dead in a swimming pool. Okay, so it's right off the 95 there. Alright. Up in the northwest. Okay. Let's see what else. Boy, we got a lot to launch this morning. Go back. One. We got 25 already this morning. 829.9. One story, 3,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, a pool and spa built in '05. Let's see what we got here. Looks nice. $829,000. Yep, prices have gone up. And the cul-de-sac. Got the strip in the background. Doubt you can see the strip from the house, but that was a nice drone shot. That is an amazing shot. Wow. I like that shot. That driveway. You have to back out and then take off there. Oh well. Lovely outdoor living area. It's a very nice backyard. Really nice drone shot. Got some vacant land over here too. It's a nice property. Just hang your drone up in the air and you can have your strip view and watch the fireworks off your drone. Okay, so Pine, Okie and Rancho. Okay. Yep. Neil Estate, Scotch 80 up there. Okay. Nice area. 2005. Okay. Well, let's see what else we got here. Yesterday's one-story townhome, 551 square feet, 1 bedroom. Bandwagon, that's over in Henderson. Oh, look at that, name of that street. That's pretty nice. Oh, cool. It's in Japan. That's really interesting. That mapping is all messed up. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry about that. Let's see what the highest priced one was yesterday. Wow. we go. 3.6 million. There's 176 listings between yesterday and today. 8,400 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 9 baths, 3-car garage, pool spa, built in 01. Okay. It's pretty cluttered to me. Nice house though. These drone shots are fantastic. Just too much. Too much furniture, I think. It's just very busy in there. Nice house, very busy. Lovely outdoor living area. Okay, where is this? Summerlin. Okay. Alright, well that's that. Let's go over to under contract. We've got 10, 15, 550 properties under contract. One has sold in the last couple of days. We have an out of the area, so here is the lowest price, which is a single family home. 320,000, 2,200 square feet. Nice red trim. A few upgrades. And that is over Twin and Rainbow. Spring Valley. Okay. And this one was reported today, 461,000. Townhome, 2005. Brand new. Nice. Pretty new. Oh, under construction there. That's the model. Okay, like Las Vegas. That might have been it. Building new townhomes over there. Interesting. Okay. Then yesterday we had a condo, 2-story, 800 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Nice exterior. No interior shots. Kind of makes you wonder why. And Alta and Durango. Up there. Okay. 145. Interesting. Okay. It hasn't been too much sold in the last couple of days. Wow. Not going into escrow, but not much selling. Or closing, I should say. A 1-story home there. It's nice and clean. Pool, spa. It's a nice little house. Let's see, 2,200 square feet. Interesting. Okay. And where is Moonlight? Moonlight is on Flamingo there. Okay, southwest. Alright. That's that. Now we're going to go do what I like to do and check what's going on with the pool homes. The weather has not been the best lately. It rained on Monday a lot. Let's see, last 3 days. Let's see what we got here. 63. You know, I just keep, like I say, I'm working on one over here right in this area right here. 1.299, 370, 459. Okay. So we have lowest priced 199, highest price 3.2 million. That's a nice sale there. Okay, so let's see what's going active pools in the last 3 days. $82, $220, up to $4 million. Okay. Well, I think that's it for today. I don't know of anything else we really need to look at. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.